In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make metallic font in Canva. By the end, you'll have shiny, realistic-looking metallic lettering that pops using only Canva's built. In Tools, start by opening your design. This can be any canvas size you are working on: social post, thumbnail, flyer, or presentation slide. Having your layout ready first helps you judge how bold or subtle the metallic text should be so it fits your overall design. Next, head to the Elements tab. In the search bar, type metallic texture or gold foil and browse the results. Look for a high-quality texture with consistent lighting and minimal busy patterns. Gold, silver, rose gold, and brushed metal all work great. And both free and pro options are available. Click the texture you like to select it. Choosing a clear, high-resolution texture will make your lettering look crisp, especially if you are designing for print or large displays. Now, open the Apps tab and find Font Frame. This is the tool that turns your text into a frame you can fill with that metallic texture. If you don't see it immediately, use the search inside the Apps tab and select Font Frame from there. Once it opens, add your text. Type your word or phrase exactly as you want it to appear. Thick, bold fonts generally show off the texture best because they give the metal more room to shine and reveal its highlights. With your text ready in Font Frame, select the option to use the selected image as the metallic fill. This applies the metal texture to the letters so the text takes on a realistic foil look. If your chosen texture has strong highlights, you'll notice the effect instantly. Under the Outline section, set the border weight to 0. Removing the outline keeps the metallic finish clean and prevents a colored edge from dulling the effect. If you are aiming for a pure foil look, no border is the way to go. Click Add to Design to place the metallic text onto your canvas. It will drop in as a single element, making it easy to move and scale without breaking the effect. Finally, drag and resize it to fit your layout. Resize from a corner to keep proportions consistent, and use Canva's alignment guides to center it or snap it to other elements. If the metal looks too busy at smaller sizes, try shortening the text or increasing its size so the texture remains visible and elegant. That's it. Thanks for watching.